How to improve AI search results with better prompts. Improving AI search results is all about writing clear, specific, and structured prompts. The better your prompt, the more accurate and useful the AI output will be. If you type in AI prompts in Google search, you will find different courses. There's also one course of Coursera. If you want to write better prompts, then I suggest you to take some courses. But there are also AI applications available that will write prompts for you. For example, we have this application. Let's say I'm not a very good prompt writer, so I'm just gonna write the main motto of the search. I've said I want a website. Now if I click on generate, then it will generate a prompt for me that I can edit. It does take some time, so you will have to be patient. Scroll down to view your prompt. As you can see, it has written a comprehensive website prompt. If any of you don't know how to write or how to expand your prompt or what details to include, this tool will be very useful for you. Now you can simply go to ChatGPT or other AI tools and simply copy the prompt and edit it. After editing it to your liking, send it. That's all for today. Thank you.